Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can get the API key for DeepL. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to deepl.com, and once you're in the screen right here, we need to sign up and log in our account. So, click here on the login. So, if you have an existing account, input your details here. But if you don't have one, click on sign up. Then, put in your email, continue, and then set up a password. Then create account. Once you're done logging in, we're gonna click on API right here. Then, once we see the drop-down menu, click on Get Started. On the next window, go to the top right and click on Create Free API Account. After that, scroll down and you will see the plans recommended for you to start getting your API key. For this video, we're going to choose the sign up for free. Now, even though the subscription is for free, DeepL will still need you to put in your credentials, including your credit card, right here to make sure that you are not a bot, but an actual person. So, fill up the details. After filling up all the needed credentials, including your address, name, card number, click on Begin Subscription. After your card is verified, go to the top right and click on Your Account. After that, select API keys and limits, and then you can see all the API keys currently available and active. So you can either copy one of those or you can create a new key for you to use. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!